Hi everyone, let's make this beautiful flower neck design. First draw the flower pattern on the top of the fabric and stitch it under the machine. Now cut it using scissor. After cutting, we are going to open all the flowers like this, and you have to put this fabric on the top of similar one and stitch it as well. After stitching, here we are going to cut the semicircle portion and look, it's ready. After this, we're going to make multiple cuts and fold it. Keep it aside. Now take this blue color of fabric. Here we are going to make the pleats, so fold it and start stitching it. After stitching, put it under the flower pattern and we're going to sew it as well. So take it under the machine and look, it's ready. Now cut the extra blue fabric and you will get this beautiful flower neck design. Look how pretty this is looking. In this video, we're going to alter this fabric inside. You can use it for stitching your blazers and coats. So let's get started. First, we are going to stitch this white color of fabric. Now we are going to put this purple color of light fabric and stitch it as well and make a cut on the side. After cutting, we are going to put both of them together, open it like we're doing here, and look, the stitching is done. You can try it at home. Let's make this heavy design. These are trending nowadays, so let's learn how you can make it at home. First, we are going to fold this blue color of fabric and make this design. Now take another piece of fabric, stitch it and make 3 strips. Now we are going to put it on the stand and braid them together like we are doing here in this video. After braiding using this cardboard piece, we are going to stitch it like this and make small pieces like we are doing here and put all of them on the blue fabric and sew all of them together. We're also pasting these ribbon shapes like this in alternate manner up and down. After stitching all of them, we are going to stitch this design on the top of the fabric like we're doing here. Cut the extra part and stitch it from the side as well. And look, your beautiful design is ready. Putting elastic in a cloth and stitching becomes a very difficult task. So let's learn in this video some easy and useful hacks and tools. Look, like you can use this tool at home. You can fix it on the top of the sewing machine. After fixing, you can put the elastic and cloth and stitch it like this, and look how easily the work is done. It is very easy to use this way. In this video, we're going to learn how you can put a zip in between the fabric. So let's get started. First, we are going to measure and mark lines according to the zip on the top of the fabric using pen or pencil and stitch both of them together. After stitching, we are going to put the zip at center like this and stitch it as well. Now open the cloth and flip it and stitch it from the side as well in a straight line, and we are going to stitch it like this. So you have spin the cloth and stitch it in a straight line like this, and look, it's ready. Now cut the extra part, open the zip, and it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.